Today's class, we're going to continue from where we stopped last time in Microsoft Excel. For those of you that is watching this video now, please, if you've not watched the previous video, go to our YouTube channel, Computer and Technology, to watch the rest so that you'll be able to catch up. Now, let us go to our work in Microsoft Excel. We click to open. We now click practice. Practice is our work, the work we have been doing in Microsoft Excel since we started. So, today we are going to do several things. We are going to do several things. Let me remove what is here. Let me remove this so that we can continue from what we are doing. So, sorry about that. Remove what is here. You see, don't select any. Close. So, first, let us add names. We're supposed to have names of students and then the corresponding subjects that they are offering. So what do? First of all, we create another column that is going to contain the names of the students. So we click here and then go to insert and say insert column. Insert column, fine. We need to insert more because we are going to have serial number. So we also click insert column and then we have two columns. This one will be for serial number where we're going to have 1, press down arrow key 2, press down arrow key 3. Now we're supposed to have Excel do this for us. So what we do, we select this number. You must write from 1 to 3 before you do that so that computer will know this is what you want to do. So we now fill handle as usual. Go down to where the number stop and then we have from 1 to 20. Let us bold it. So that is our serial number. We now have to add the name of students here. So we can have our subject, we can have our names, sorry, serial number. We have our serial number. We have our student names or names. We have subjects. So, sorry, let me remove this center across selection. It's really affecting us in this area. Let it be on general. So what we have here is subjects. Subjects. So let's reduce the character to maybe 16. Then the name 16, bolded, serial number, bold it, make it size 16. So let us expand the column names. Let's expand the column for subjects. Now in our subjects, let's have, I think we need to insert another column. So we insert another column, clicking on it. So our subject supposed to be here as a subject, so that we have maybe English language, English, we have mathematics, we have Greek, we have biology, we have home economics, just write only home. We have Igbo, we have economics. Let's start from economics. So these are subjects. Then names. Names. I think I have already copied names. So let's go and get this. Copy this. Paste it here for names. So it's more than 20. And delete these two. And then these are names. These are the subjects. I think subjects supposed not to be here. Let us add another row. We'll go here to add the row. And then our subjects supposed to be here. Let us merge the cells. Let us merge the cells, combine the cells. Click here to merge the cells. We'll now put our subject here. Don't worry, we'll type our subject. Subjects. So this is not our subjects. Our subjects can bold it and make it size 16. There are subjects here. So that is, then let us remove this column by going to delete and say delete columns. Yes, everything are balanced. So it's supposed to be the center or even left aligned like others. So we have our English, Maths, Agri, Biology, Home Economics, Igbo, and Economics. This is our total, this is our average. Now, what we are focusing on today, apart from the little things we've done, is how to sort. How do you sort? Or how do you filter? There are two different things. So for you to sort, you can either sort ascending or descending, that is ascending from A to Z or from Z to A. Assume you want to sort this number. Sorry, the names. You can highlight the names and say sort. Sorry. Yeah, sort. Sort from A to Z. Before you sort, let's watch. Amaka is the first. Let's know whether if Amaka will still continue to be the first. So we click on sort from A to Z. So it's asking us, how do you want to sort? Is it expand the selection or continue with the current selection? I say continue with the current selection. I say sort. You are now sorted. Adenkule is the first, Amaka second, then C, E, G, K, something like that. So it has sorted this particular. So that's what you do when you want to sort from A to Z. Same thing. If you want to sort from Z to A, you click here and click Z to A. Sort Z to A. You see, yeah, we want to continue from this, and then we click serving. That's this. So that's that for today. Next time we'll continue. Thanks for watching.